Vocabulary quiz set 2. Matching. Directions. Match the words to the definitions by typing the letter in the blanks. 1. Sponsor. 2. Basic. 3. Annual. 4. Contract. 5. Recall. A. An agreement or understanding that can be enforced by law. B. To bring back to mind. To remember. C. Having to do with the main or starting point of something. D. Coming each year, once a year. E. One who takes responsibility for another person or group. 6. Obtain. 7. Stern. 8. Dismiss. 9. Vacant. 10. Neglect. F. To hold back care or attention. G. To send away, release from a job. H. To get or gain through some effort. I. Not gentle or kind, harsh looking. J. Not used, filled, or lived in. Word bank. Directions. Use the word banks to fill in the sentences below. Basic, neglect, annual, contract, dismiss. Number 1. Our family's blank picnic is always in June. 2. John easily learned the blank rules of the game. 3. You should read the blank before you sign it. 4. The teacher will blank you when the bell rings. 5. Don't blank your health or you might get sick. Word bank. Stern, recall, obtain, vacant, sponsor. Number 6. My sister needs to blank her driver's license before she can drive the car. 7. I don't like seeing Mike at the game. 8. And now a word from our blank. 9. Alex gave him a blank book. 10. The house has been blank for months.